Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is going to be about when should you inquire about needing a trust. But before we dive into that topic, if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head on over to njestateattorney.com to schedule a day and time that works best for you for free over the phone. So, when should you inquire about a trust? So, as previous videos have discussed, there are revocable trusts and irrevocable trusts, and everybody kind of falls into a different type of trust. So this trust is going to be about revocable trusts only. And that's where today's topic leads us. So when should you inquire about a revocable trust? So everybody's looking for this hard and fast rule that it says at this amount of money, when my assets hit this much, I should have a trust. Well, there's no rule that really exists like that. And it really varies from practitioner to practitioner, estate planning attorney to estate planning attorney. So here's my, breakdown where I draw my lines. So when I have a client that walks in and I'm going through their assets, and I mean everything, we're going through home, what they paid for their home, what the current value of their home is, any other properties they may own, retirement accounts, you name it, I want to know about it. And when we hit around, I'd say $4 to $5 million, usually $5 million is my cutoff, where I say, you sitting in front of me today absolutely need to do this trust. This is where you should be doing it. And the reason I use $5 million as cutoff is right now we have to remember that the federal estate tax threshold is $12.97 million. And that's set to sunset in the next year or so. So we need to prepare with foresight that this is going to drop back down to that $6-7 million ratio or line. So we're trying to get ahead of that curve with the knowledge that we have today. So $5 million, my absolute cutoff, I feel that everybody should have a revocable trust. Now, I start talking about revocable trust with clients when they are approaching that $2 million threshold or they're over that $2 million threshold. I want to put it in my client's ears or anybody's ears that at $2 million, even a little less, maybe a little bit more, this is something that you should start considering, because let's be real, in theory and in everything, assets are going to appreciate. So they're going to keep going up. So this is something to really start thinking about that like $2 million asset threshold. Where is a revocable trust something I feel comfortable doing? Now, I'm not saying if it's everybody at that time at $2 million, but you've now had it in your ear that at $2 million, this is a discussion that you should be having with your estate planning attorney, or that I would be having with you. But at $5 million, it would become the recommendation that happens. So to summarize this video really briefly, really short, $2 million, we start the discussion on trust. At $5 million, that's where the recommendation is. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button, share it out to your friends and family members, anybody whom you think may be considering a trust. If you have questions pertaining to estate planning or probate and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head on over to njestateattorney.com right now to schedule a day and time that works best for you for free over the phone with me. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.